we're back again for the sneak peek at the, oh my gosh, look at this beautiful stain. It's Provincial. And we just put down the stain. There's just one coat. Now we're going to put the finished coats on that I think are going to be just gorgeous. So we'll take a peek at the saddles that you'll see here. We have 7 inches at the bigger pocket doors, and we've got, oh my gosh, it's just so pretty that it changes with the light. It's a white oak, and I think that changed the color. We have new floor from here over to the, you're good, we have the new floor here over to the family room. And I'll go back just to show you the pocket. So we have how the herringbone transitions is really pretty. So we have have my shoes off, the saddles that are flush over here into the powder, which is really pretty. And I think the white oak is what makes this so much more beautiful than a red oak, because it actually changes the color of the stain. And then we'll put 2 coats of semi-gloss. We are using Bona. And then at the end, we'll put a matte or satin finish, because the semi-gloss is really going to be a much harder, much more durable finish. And you can see now, in this room we have the older floor, and there are some boards in the older floor, because I don't know what they picked, but we picked Select, and they have some boards staining darker. There's just not much we can do about that, and I'm sure they'll just have to use a carpet to deal with it. And it's the nature of wood, it's just beautiful. So we got everything finished on the floor. We're basically loading out all the masonite as we speak, but it's just gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Can't wait to send this to the owners. And again, I think the stain is just spectacular, and can't wait to see it in its final finish when we're done. So we're all good. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. And the last shot is in here. Look at how beautiful. Wow. Love it when we have something turn out better than we thought it would, and this floor had me worried, but you can't even tell the difference between the old and new with the staining of it. That's what's just so magnificent about it. When you look across this, you wouldn't know. So ciao for now.